So that's just your rain shower head going right now. And we'll adjust the knob on the side. That's your dual head mode. Now when you have them both going, you're going to have less restricted water here, so it's not going to be as powerful. And when you switch it to the single head mode, then you get that powerful jet out of this spa head here. 5 different settings. I like that one. Hi, I'm Todd. I'm with the TW Home Show, and boy, are you guys in for a treat today. I've got this massive shower head by WaterPik. I'm going to do a little review on this, and we're going to see how this operates as soon as I get it hooked up. This is a 2-in-1 shower head. It's a rainfall, huge rainfall on top of your head, and a power sprayer, adjustable for different settings, spa settings and stuff like that right here. The shower head tilts to get you at the right angle on top of your head. By WaterPik. Dualspray Plus. First I want to take it out of the package and let's take a look at the quality. Alright, taking a closer look at this. Here's your power sprayer head. Here's your rainfall head. You'll be attaching it to your shower mount pipe. And that pipe better be heavy duty, attached to studs, because this thing is big. It's not too heavyweight, but you know, it's big. So you attach it to your water pipe here, coming out of your towel wall. And right here, you've got a setting lever, and you can slide this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings for this lever for your power sprayer. This is your rain head. You've got a side setting here with 3 different settings. You can have both on. Just the rainfall on. Or the power jet, just the power jet on. The rain head also has a tilt feature. So when it's on your wall, there's different tilt settings for it. And they click into place. So we're gonna hook this up to my shower and we'll take a look and see how it performs. All right guys, this is our current shower setup. We've got a shower booth here and it's got a dual shower system in it. So we've got one already with a dual head, one with a wand. And we've got 3 golden retrievers, so we use that a lot. But in my case, I like to use this head over here, but I want to get that WaterPik one hooked up there so I can have a different experience. So I'm going to take you through, we'll just pull this off. I'll show you how it works right now. And see, this one doesn't even have any settings on it. There's no settings at all on this one. Just one mode. So we'll pull this one off and get the pipe thread on there and stuff, and get that new WaterPik one on there. Stay tuned. Just use this wrench, get this one removed. Now these usually come off pretty easy, and they usually go on pretty easy. All right, now we've got some old pipe tape on here, Teflon tape. Just make sure there's nothing loose on there. Peel off any of the loose Teflon tape. We'll apply our new Teflon tape. I recommend going around the threads about 2 times. And just snap it tight and it'll break free. Now we're going to install our new giant WaterPik shower head, dual head. Now it comes with a reverse threaded fitting here, and you're going to slide this up on your pipe first, and then it's threaded inside here. There's inner threads on the center adapter. So put that on first. And remember, this is plastic. Oh, actually, look at this. This is a ball that comes out. And that's got the threads on the inside there. And then the ball fits in the back of this shower head. And then you clamp it down with that other fitting. So I would just tighten this down by hand since it is plastic. Seems about right. All right, guys, let's test it out. That's dual head mode there. Single spa mode with different settings, 5 different settings. That'll be good on your back there. Dual head mode again. And then single, just rain shower head mode. Give you a closer look at that. So that's just your rain shower head going right now. And we're just the knob on the side. That's your dual head mode. Now when you have a both going, you're going to have less restricted water here, so it's not going to be as powerful. But when you switch it to the single head mode, then you get that powerful jet out of this spa head here. 5 different settings. I like that one. So what do you think, guys? Are you down with the WaterPik shower head? I think I am.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going.